What's up, everybody? I am not on a cruise ship. I'm at work. Welcome to the Redneck Cruiser channel. I am the Redneck Cruiser. I'm a redneck and I'm a cruiser. Yeah, this is the first video I've done like this on this channel. With this video, I'm just going to introduce you guys to myself and maybe what to expect on this channel. If you haven't seen already, I have got plenty of vlogs. They're more musicals, but it's just scenes and memories of cruises. And my family and I do enjoy going back and looking at those and bringing back the memories, because every cruise has memories, and thank God we have video cameras to film a lot of it. Not most of it, just little snippets of it. I've been cruising since 2015, so yeah, and some of you, I'm a rookie. I've been on 3 total cruises, and I just can't get enough of it. I mean, we went on that first cruise, and it was just like so addictive. We didn't want to get off, and it felt like it was a 7-day cruise out of New Orleans on the Carnival Dream, and it was just like. It's like that 7 days felt like eternity, really, you know? If you've never been on a cruise, I don't think you'd understand. When you leave and you've got all this noise in your head from the world, and then you go on the ship and everybody's happy and having a good time, and you go to these countries and you're relaxing and you're totally getting disconnected from the world. And it's so nice. And when you come back, it's like you're a totally different person. You feel refreshed and depressed because you don't want to get off the ship. And that's the way it has been every single time we've been on a cruise. Now, we've only been on 3 cruises. We've got our 4th coming in February of 2019. Of course, I will record that. It's on the Carnival Dream. We were going to get on the Carnival Vista for that cruise for that same week. But then we found out that they're moving the Carnival Dream to Galveston, and they're shortening up the cruises. And we were like, you know what? Let's do one more on the Dream before we move to the Vista or something else. So that's the reason why we've always been on the Dream. We've always been on the Dream because, quite frankly, it's a fun ship. The Carnival Dream is a fun ship, and New Orleans is. It's pretty entertaining. I know a lot of you guys are used to, when you have your sail away party, you watch the land go away, and it's not like that when you're leaving New Orleans. You're going down the Mississippi River. You won't hit the Gulf of Mexico until like 11 or 12 at night. So it's pretty interesting to go there. It's pretty spooky a little bit going down to Mississippi. It was the first time. It was kind of a little bit foggy and dark. It was really neat, but we'll be changing ships and probably sailing out of Galveston on the Vista come our next cruise, but our immediate next cruise will be on the Carnival Dream. I love the Carnival Dream. My favorite cruise so far, I think, would probably have to do with our first was awesome. You can't beat the first time. But when we had both my daughters with us for Thanksgiving, and that cruise, even though there was a lot of kids and everything, but it was such a good time to spend so much time with our kids, during that week. And yeah, loved it. It was probably my most favorite time I've been on the ship, me personally. I live in Texas, so you say, well, you go out of New Orleans all the time. Well, I live like close to Shreveport, like right off I-20 up north, at Caddo Lake, Texas. So, we're actually a little closer to Galveston than we are New Orleans, but New Orleans is fun. But we'll be going out of Galveston, probably. We don't have anything booked after February. A little bit more about me. By trade, I am a truck driver. I'm sitting in my truck right now, and my wife and I have been married for almost 20 years. We've been married for 19 years. So April of 2019 will be our 20th wedding anniversary. We have 2 daughters. Are they as enthusiastic as we are about cruising? Not as much, but they still love it. They just won't admit to it, right? But my wife and I, oh my gosh, that's just all we talk about. And we just enjoy doing it. We enjoy the life of not having any responsibilities, like paying bills. So you still got to pay bills, but you're not paying bills that way. And, you know, cleaning up after yourself, going to work. I mean, you still got to kind of clean after yourself. Come on, you kind of do. But, you know, someone else is preparing your meal for you. And it's just so much fun and relaxing. And on this channel, obviously I'm going to be talking a lot about, or I'm going to be filming a lot of our cruises and stuff like that. But I'm going to share with you my experiences and maybe some tips for some of you new cruisers out there for the rednecks, right? I mean, there's a lot of people out here on YouTube like Cruise Tips TV and people like that, and they do a stunning job at what they do. But with this channel, I mean, I'm gonna speak like me. I'm a redneck. I mean, and there's a lot of rednecks that want to go on the ship. I mean, I've seen a lot of rednecks on the ships, and I don't like seeing where you've got, you know, you've only got to be a certain way. You know, I see a lot of, not so much in person, but like on the interwebs, I see a lot of snobs to really that look down on people like me that is just normal. Maybe I'm not the prettiest of all people. Maybe I'm a little overweight. Maybe I don't talk right. Maybe I don't wear the right clothes. But I enjoy going on cruises too. So I'm kind of like for that guy or for that woman. That's what this channel's about. So, I mean, you're going to hear my view. I mean, that's the only view I got. I can't speak on someone else's behalf. But I'm definitely very opinionated. About what I believe. And you'll hear my opinions when it comes to etiquette, when it comes to all sorts of things. So you'll hear my opinions and you'll see the stories and stuff. I'm not for everybody, but I'm for a lot of you. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed my channel here. I know it's young, it's still kind of small, but if you share it out, share the videos that I have coming out, hopefully some good information for you guys to see. So you guys take care. 73.